Hi, my name is Mimi Samsonov and you're watching One Mom's Perspective on how my daughter learns and develops in her play place. My daughter's name is Alice. I call her Allie. She is 4 years old and was born with trisomy 21, also known as Down syndrome. Allie has had a play place since she was a baby. Toys in her bassinet or playpen provided opportunities for Allie to develop her motor skills, receive sensory input, focus on activities, and kept her happily occupied. The tumble mat provided space and cushion for Allie to tumble, to roll at 8 months, to stretch, to reach for objects, and to exercise. When Allie began to crawl at age 1, barriers were built to keep her safe. When Allie began to stand but not yet walk, a blown-up pool on top of the tumble mat helped her learn to stand and walk in a safe area. When Allie began to climb, it was back to the tumble mat with barriers. Of course, squeezing through and sneaking out of her play place was part of her development and exploration. When Allie walked at 18 months, her play place revolved around the television. I noticed that it wasn't ideal to have the TV and her play place in one area, even when the TV is off. After we moved, Allie's play place would be set up in a different room, one without a TV. Playtime without any screens, TV or iPad or phone, is less distracting and more productive. As a single mom on a tight budget, I could not afford new furniture. I had simply set of furniture I had into an L-shaped play place with a table and chairs in the center. Allie has hypotonia. She has muscle strength but poor muscle control and reflexes. By sitting on the IKEA chair with her feet on the floor, Allie continues to develop her core muscles. It is important for Allie to have her feet on a platform. Because activities are performed on the table with limited play area, Allie has learned to put items away in order to make room for the next activity. Panning from left to right, here's the layout. The angled standing board helps Allie hold the writing tools properly. Without an angled surface, Allie's hold would be drooping, without muscle control to put pressure on the writing tool. The board also helps with sensory input and focus. The cabinet is actually mine, not Allie's. It is filled with materials for Allie's needs. However, Allie can reach for some items on top of the cabinet. These bins are filled with activities for Allie's enjoyment and enrichment. Allie is familiar enough with where things go and where new things are placed that I don't need to label the bins. I may have Allie label the bins herself once she is reading and writing better. Things that Allie are not fully ready for or may have lost interest in are kept a little bit out of reach until they are introduced or reintroduced. Music is not just crucial because it's a language that reaches a certain part of the brain, but it's also invaluable to Allie because she responds well to it. Life without music for Allie would be no life at all. Allie's therapist taught us how to learn through play. Toys are not introduced because they are sold for Allie's age. Toys are introduced because they target Allie's specific developmental needs. For example, parents of neuroatypical children would see a whistle as a way to develop low tone and not just an occasionally annoying musical toy. In summary, a play place with the Montessori concepts helps with organizational skills, feeling organized, focus, play etiquette, decision making, exploration, freedom, independence, intrigue, sensory input, learning activities, and so much more. Interestingly, if an activity is set up, Allie would likely do that activity even if she's reluctant to or not as interested in that activity. Allie's play place does not feel like where intense learning activities or serious education takes place. Her play place feels like a personal space where she can enjoy and explore while enhancing all her developments. Allie is rarely bored. There are always a few go-to activities that she'll enjoy even for half an hour. Click like for this video if you like how I'm sharing my perspective on how my daughter learns and develops in her play place. Subscribe to my channel, One Mom's Perspective, if you can tune in to how I teach my daughter other topics such as scissor cutting and dressing herself. Feel free to leave your comments, share this video with family and friends, even make a request. Just be kind and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.